The 2015 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power liftgate, keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, fog lights, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.